We're at John C. Landing Sports Facility today, watching the Santee Cooper Team Open Tournament come in, hosted by CATT. Steve and Terry and Derrick is hosting this one. We got weigh-in here at 3 o'clock pretty soon. It's going to be back behind me. But until all the boats come in, I'm going to show y'all a little bit about this landing.
Are you videotaping me?
I am.
Right over there. You get the line? Yeah, 7.7. Got one bigger than 8. All right. Very good day. 19.95, 1995. Right now, 9.04, your second big fish is 8.17. Staying up. Oh, look at that. Going forward, 0.6.60. Lake Marion, second big fish right now. They got one that 24.55, 24.55.
your fish right here, fellas. That's your new second big fish, 8.30, 830. Looks like the last check will still be 18.26, 18.26. If you got 18 and above, you got a tip today. Oh, you want that, that's right. All right, first big fish. Boat number 70, Griffin and Curtis, with a 9.04, taking home $500 for big fish of the turn. That was a hell of a kick. Yes, sir. Thank you. Get you right there. Fifth place. Getting into some good money now. Fifth place, $1,000. Team Mills, Ronnie and Tripp, father and son team, 24.55. Fourth place, climbing up the Moultrie, $1,250 with 26.64, Team McCoy. Yep. Yes, sir. Good season. Third place, $1,800. Team Hudson, 27.86, 27.86. Y'all act like y'all tired. That right there makes you feel a little better. Yes, sir. See right there. Good seeing you, bro. Good luck. Second place, $2,500. Handed him a lot of tips this year. 30.47, Brent Riley, Nathan Burgess. Start calling y'all reading and stingy. I don't do that. Congratulations, bro. Alright, $5,000. Handed them a lot of tips over the years. Mike Watson and Craig McFadden with 30.88, taking home $5,000. Oh, you can't go full dog like this. One day he gonna walk up here. One day. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you to everybody who showed up to fish. Thanks to everybody who showed up and watched the weigh-in. We will see you next year. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. We'll see you next year.
So that's the end of this video at John C. Landing, the sports facility. If y'all, did you enjoy the tournament? Have you fished some of these tournaments? If you like this series, click like, click subscribe, click that little bell thingy. That will send you the next video that I do. Put down in the comments what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it. Let me know, let all the guys know if there's any problems that you've had with this landing, if you've heard of anybody that's been broken into, if you have any tips or something like that, it's going to be important. Let us know down in the comments. Also, what boat landing do you want me to do next? What would you like to see different? What would you like Santee Cooper or the county to do about these landings? You know, this lake, Santee Cooper, brings in a lot of revenue to the area. So I'd like to see a little bit more policing of it. I know they're short-staffed. They just simply don't have the money, but I don't know what the state can do. I don't know the bureaucracy. I just know that stuff like this, you know, it's just like 1 minute they care, 1 minute they don't. And I'd love to see the community come together and start caring about our landings again. Hey guys, this is the second time that I've said that these maps are shot. I have offered to replace them. Send me these maps. These are specific maps. These aren't the ones that I get from Kings. If you can send me these maps, I'll put them in. But anyways, it looks really good. The guys at CATT, I think it's CATT, that did the boat tournament today. Spent a lot of time actually beautifying. They went through and they cleaned up a buttload of trash. They had bags of trash before this tournament. And if you haven't been in one of these tournaments by these guys are stand up. So my hat's off. Hope y'all enjoyed. Like and subscribe.